All right, let's do a simple 3D house. We'll start with a box volume. And then we'll want to figure out where the roof peak is we'll just extend those up so we can try and calculate it a little bit more accurately as opposed to just guessing. So we'll move our box on top, put an X through the front side of it to tell us where that center point is, to help us find that point, and we can follow that back. Again, we can work with just approximations and get something that's pretty good here. So I've got the shape. Let's add a door over here, maybe a window over here. Add a little thickness to that window on this side. Maybe some roof shingles to help give it a little bit more definition. And I'm just doing a first pass here to kind of sketch that. I'm going to have that overlap a little bit too, give it a little bit more character. Maybe a front step here. Walkway, probably off the page at that point. All right, so let's go ahead and lock this in. So now look at the far side. Got the window in here. The window pane. Bring that vertical down. I'm gonna make the bottom edge like maybe it's some grass or something going on there, just so it's not completely flat. Front step here. Remember, that's got to come up over the base of the house there. Got our door, walkway, and then this roof. So do 4 shingles on this side, so we've got 4 rows happening. And the more irregular you make them, the more interesting it looks. I generally find. And of course, you don't want them to line up with the row above it. You want them offset, but not quite like bricks, because they're intended to be a little bit more irregular. And make this last row a little bit longer. And then just a little bit of top left lighting. Maybe we'll do a little bit of cast shadow here from the roof. This side will be all in shadow. A little bit of shadow over on this side. And then maybe a real quick, just silhouette line. I think I can call that good.